Hello, everyone. So, for this year, Christmas Eve fell on a Sunday. So, we decided to worship at Christ's Fellowship in Port St. Lucie. Here are some highlights of how we spent our day.
I started asking questions like, God, are you hearing my prayer? Because I can't see a future beyond what I'm feeling right now. And in one of our darkest moments, we decided that we just needed a change of scenery. So we took our son Jefferson to the beach. And normally, I would never encourage you to get your theology from a t-shirt on the beach, especially here in South Florida. But on this day, an angel showed up. Not really. It was just a regular guy in a t-shirt. But on that t-shirt was a message that said, listen to what you know, not to what you fear. And it was a message for me that day. Nothing actually changed in that moment, but something shifted because I realized that even though we didn't know what the future would hold, we did know the one who holds our future. See, what is unknown to us is completely known to God. There is nothing that He doesn't know. So while the future is unknown to you, it is known to God. So as you step into what seems unknown, God is right there. He's waiting on us, with us every step of the way. And see, when Mary, she faced the unknown, it was actually Gabriel's words that gave her the courage to say yes to God's plan, even when all her questions weren't answered. The message that Gabriel delivered to Mary on that first Christmas is actually an invitation for you and for me to be a part of this greater story. Look at these words we see in Luke chapter 1. It says that God is with you. So what is unknown or unexpected to you is fully known and expected to Him. Nothing catches Him by surprise. Look at this second verse. It says that you have been chosen by God for a purpose. And like Mary, a purpose-filled life does not mean a problem-free, perfect life. What it means is that in whatever situation you're walking in, you can give your unexpected and your unknown future to Him. And when you do, you will actually experience the power and the presence of Emmanuel, God with us, God with you. light up even the darkest space. The Bible tells us to let your light shine among people so that they can see your good works and bring glory to God. This is our mission, the mission of the church, to bring glory to God through allowing the light of Christ to shine in our life. We want to wish you a Merry Christmas from Christ Fellowship. On behalf of the Mullins family, from our family to you, Merry Christmas. We love you. You can blow your candle out, but of course never extinguish the light of Christ in your life.
So guys, I'm at Christ Fellowship, and this is what's happening on the outside of church. We have camels, we have donkeys, we have train rides over there. We also have kids playing in the snow. Yeah, they made snow. And it's a whole bunch of stuff happening at the same time. Yeah. And that's what happened. That's what's happening at Christ Fellowship. All the messages. Donkey in the manger. And there is the camel. Tired of people taking his picture.
Naya, come by the baby.
So we got cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and we got the snow machine over there bringing snow. We have the sleigh right there, and the train is over there. That's the train. Yeah, and you get train rides all around. You have the boards right there. They can play games. That's at Christ Fellowship. In Port St. Lucie. Christmas Eve Sunday celebration at Christ Fellowship, and of course we totally enjoyed it. On behalf of me and my entire family, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year when it comes. And remember, as always, Christ is the reason for the season. Oh, it's a video. Oh, it's a video. Merry Christmas to everyone from Yardabelly TV.